What if I connect all this stuff at once? The Portal, the iPad Pro, and now the big one, 100 watt, guys. Let's see. Here we go. 1, 2.
Like we always do at this time.
So in this video, we're going to the bank. Not that bank, the power bank. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. All right, in this video, we are talking about a power bank, guys. This is a 100 watt power bank by the company called INIU. Now, they did send me this product, guys, full disclosure, but the review is going to be solely my honest, unbiased opinion. If it's good, I'll let you know. If this thing is trash, I'll let you know. All right, peel to unbox. Whoops, come on. Let's see what we got inside. I do appreciate the color of the box. Nice little aqua turquoise thing going on. All right, here we go, guys. This is the good stuff right here. All right, well, this is the power brick itself. All right, off the bat, guys, it does feel heavy. It is on the heavy side. Whoa, check that out, though. Got a nice matte color. We'll get to this in a bit. Let's see what else is in here. Web, INIU, that's the name of the product. That's the name of the company, INIU, I-N-I-U. Instruction manual. Charging cable right here, perfect. And we do have a mesh pouch that it came in, pretty much. That's pretty cool, right? They included a pouch to carry this brick around. Look at that. Pretty sleek, pretty sleek. First impressions off the bat. This thing it's in a mini package, but it's thick and it's heavy. It has some weight to it. Now, there's a reason why it's heavy. This isn't just a regular power brick or portable or power bank, whatever you want to call it. This is 100 watts. This thing can power anything that requires 100 watts of charge, fast charge. You have 2 USB-Cs and a USB-A. Now, you have one USB-C that's 100 watts, one USB-C that's 45, and your USB-A, that's a slower charge, that's 15 watts. For comparison, guys, this is my anchor charger for the MacBook Pro that I have. This alone, it's 100 watts. Check the size out. The thickness, they're about the same, but with this one, because you have the added screen, we're gonna get to the screen in a bit, it's a little bit taller. But to get this much power out of this little thing, it's impressive. Mind you, this is 25,000 milliamp power, which means it's not just gonna last one charge and then you'd have to recharge it. You could get a couple of charge out of this only on the 100 watt. And if you're using the 45 watt, you can get a bunch of charges out of this. And if you're using the 15 watt, forget about it. You can charge for days with this without having to recharge. So you do have a power button on the side here. There's no physical button to hold down. It doesn't turn on. The button is just to push it once. And it should tell you how much power you got. We have 53 currently. Out the box, we haven't charged it or anything. Before we go any further, guys, I do want to explain something. If you turn this around, it's gonna tell you right here. Let me see if I could get it on the camera, but I'm gonna explain it to here. It's gonna tell you exactly how the wattage works, and it's not what you think, guys. Now, what I mean by it's not what you think is, all right, pay attention, guys, take notes. If you use one by itself, they are marked. If you use the 100 watt one by itself, that's what you're getting. You're getting the most power out of this, which is 100 watts, which is enough to power your computers, your MacBooks, your laptops, anything that requires a 100 watt charge. Now, you do have a 45 watt next to them. Caveat though, if you use this one and this one together, then you're gonna get 65 out of this one and 45 out of this one. You will lose wattage, but it's okay. It's nothing dramatic. Now, if you use all three of them at once, you will get 65 out of this one and 15 out of this one and 15 out of the USB-A side. That's a little caveat to keep in mind. It does make sense because it's a complete 100 watt altogether. So it's gonna divide the wattage the more ports you use. Caveat, guys. So let's charge some things. We're gonna start with the biggest one, which would be the MacBook Pro. Let's plug this into the MacBook. And we're gonna plug this into the 100 watt, which is right here. As soon as you plug it in, it tells you something's plugged in. Charging is gonna tell you it's charging right here. I don't know if you guys can see it right here. It says it's charging right here. It had the little charging icon. Cool, right? Now, let's charge my iPad Pro. And this one's gonna go in here. Another USB-C, and these wires are all tangled up because these devices come with the super long wires. All right, now iPad Pro, boom. Okay, you heard it, so you know it's charging right now. That's 2 devices charging. And now let's connect my iPhone. Let's go with the old school connection. I mean, who uses this anymore? But I have one laying around, so let's do it. 1, and let's see if we can get some juice here. Power, charging. All 3 devices are charging on this one charger. Again, guys, being that I have 3 devices going at once, this one here is getting a 65 watt, this one here is getting a 15 watt, and this one here is getting a 15 watt. Now, real world use, guys, what would I actually use this for? Actually, me, preferably, not my laptop, because every time I take my laptop out, I usually have 100% charge. I don't leave home without it being fully charged. And if I don't, my laptop pouch has a space for its own charger and stuff. So unless I'm in the airport and something, I don't see me charging my laptop. What I would actually use it for, guys, is this bad boy. This is the PlayStation Portal. This goes out with me. So charge it, bam. Now, what happens when you have a little mini you running around? My son, I have him. He likes to go out too. So let's charge his Nintendo Switch at the same time. Because if it's not charged, he's gonna wanna play with my PlayStation. And no, buddy, you stick to Mario and I'll play Call of Duty. And of course, the iPad Pro. This I actually do take out, so this is what I would use it for in dad mode. Where else would these be super useful? If I'm out shooting a video or I'm out with my camera and I need quick charge on the go, I ran out of batteries. This thing will actually double as a battery for your camera or as a battery for my recording device. This will charge anything, guys. And this, again, is not gonna give you just one charge and then die. You're gonna get mad charges out of this. So for me, guys, the INIU power bank, 100 watt to 25,000 milliamps, is it worth it? In my opinion, yes. Now the price of it does jump around. I have seen it at 40, 50, 60, up to $70, guys. But there usually is a coupon for it. I will leave links to this in the description, guys. So I hope someone found this video useful. If you are looking for a portable power bank, this is the one for you. All right, guys, until next time, catch you in the next one. Peace.